Okay, this is the Bodum coffee maker. I'm not sure exactly what they call it. I think it's a coffee press. That's right, coffee press. And I've used this over the years when, when I'm making coffee where you boil it. I'm going to go boil it here. And I'm going to put in some coffee from our local market and put this baby in here. What I like doing is typically I'll put 6 tablespoons and then I'll fill it with water and then go from there. So let's go do that real quick. 6 tablespoons, and you can do more or less. I just tend to like using 6 tablespoons because, well, it seems to work for me. So here's 1 and 6. Okay, and then you have this little screen here that when you put the water in there, the hot water, you'll cover it, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you'll slowly press it, and then from there you'll have a nice tasty deal of coffee. The water's ready. I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay, and now I'll cover it and I'll let it seep for about 2-3 minutes, and then I'll press it. Okay, time to press it. So I'll just slowly press down. Feel that goodness. Oh yeah. All right, and then you'll want to turn it so that it's on the strainer here, so you can move the handle around. It just moves over. Okay, right there, and there's there. This one has that little strainer deal right there, and you'll just kind of pour it. Ooh, it smells really good. Nice. All right, it's a coffee French press, and yours truly has a tasty deal of coffee here. All right, give it a try. Very easy, very simple.